Welcome friends to my channel Trading Sensation. So friends, you know that this week has started on a negative note. All the major indices like Dow, CAC, DAX, Ibovespa, Shanghai, so all are down by almost 3 to 5%. Even the commodities like gold, silver, crude, all are down by 2 to 3% each. So why this sudden fall is happening? So one cause that you can say is obviously that after getting the clearance from Trump, that is the deal between TikTok and Oracle, China has said that they are not ready for this deal because they think that this deal can cause a lot of problem or security issue with their national interest. So now the point is you have the news at your hand or at your end. Now let me explain you the chart of Dow Jones Industrial Average, that why and from where this has started to reverse. Now this is the weekly chart. You can see Dow Jones Industrial Average. So I have just drawn one trend line, a simple trend line, upward sloping trend line. You can see from 2016 from this May, because before that we don't have this chart in Trading View. So wherever you see price was coming towards this trend line, there was a tendency that the price would get bounced back, and whenever again it touched towards this line, it paid a lot of respect, it gave a lot of respect to this line and it bounced back. See, here also it's happened in the same way, correct? So in last Feb, that means Feb 2020, this line was, this multi-year trend line got broken for the first time after this scenario, that means December 18. And since that February, you see drastically within few weeks, so that we have seen the V-shaped recovery, correct? So this V-shaped recovery was a straight kind of very steep recovery. Now it exactly faced resistance from this trend line, you see my friend, which I have drawn here. So for the last few weeks, let me just zoom in. For the last few weeks, you see price was just touching that level but couldn't breach on the upside, correct? Now let me just go to the daily chart for much better clarity. Let me draw few lines because I personally give lot of importance to trend line. So you see my friend, let me just cancel this line. Yes. So you see my friend that I have drawn this upward sloping green colored line also, correct? So when this recovery started in March, this line acted as a good support level. Whenever price came towards this trend line, it gave a good bounce back. Whenever it came and touched, it gave a good bounce back. Now for the last few sessions, price is actually getting sandwiched between the support and long-term multi-year resistance line. Now today, it has breached the last swing low. Now what do I mean by last swing low? Let me just change it to a line chart. So you see this is the last swing low. So this last swing low got breached today. And the level is approximately, let me draw an horizontal line also for better clarity. So this is the last swing low, approximately 27,300. So it got breached, and yes, now up to which level it can come, I'll come to that point later. Now I'll show you one beautiful thing in hourly, because it is much more clear in hourly chart. Let me just delete this ellipse and delete these lines as well. Now let me take the help of few curve. So I am trying to draw shoulders. I'm trying to draw shoulders. So now this one is the head approximately. Now we need another curve for the second or the right shoulder. So this is somewhat the head and shoulder pattern looks like in hourly chart, and we know what happens if a head and shoulder gives a breakdown. And you know, this head and shoulder obviously occurs after an uptrend, and there was a clear V-shaped recovery and an uptrend beforehand, you see. So now the target, what should be the target here on the downside? The difference between the high of this head and this neckline should get added from the breakdown point. So the difference is here, it's approximately it's 29,150 and this one is 27,300 approximately, correct? So you do the difference and add it from this zone. Turns to be around 1850 points. So 1850 you should reduce from this breakdown level, that is 27,300. So the target approximately comes to around 25,450, which is this level. Let me just put it accurately. 25,450. Yes. So price should come towards this level. Do be very sure about it that this price should come towards this level very soon. Once 25,450 gets broken, then be pretty sure about 25,000, which is a very good psychological level. So please do watch the video again if you have not yet understood the levels. So thanks for watching and keep tracking my future videos as well. Goodbye.